Today I'm going to present on modals of uncertainty and certainty. We talked about this briefly in class, but I feel that I should review this once more. First, before I talk about modals of certainty and uncertainty, I want to give you a brief lesson and talk about two important points about using modals. First, they go before the verb. I might say he studies English, but if I add the modal might, I add it before the verb. So he might study English. Okay? They always go before the verb. My second point is that they change the verb into the base form. I might say he is studying English, but when I add the modal could before the be verb, I change is to be. So I would say he could be studying English. Without the modal, he is studying English. With the modal, he could be studying English. Another example is the difference between has and have. For example, I would use the third person singular has with she. So I would say she has a car. But when I add may, I change has into have, which is the base form. She may have a car. To conclude this point, don't do this. Okay, do not use infinitives, gerunds, the past tense, or the singular, third person singular with modals. Just use the base form, always. There are 9 modals: can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, and must. There are also several phrasal verbs such as used to and have to. However, today we are going to focus on 4: will, may, could, and might. If I want to say that I am 100% certain about the future, then I use will or won't. It basically means I'm 100% sure that what I'm saying will happen. The example the book gives us is about nuclear accidents. The speaker states, if there is an accident, then it will be huge and it will have long-term effects on the environment. Is she guessing? No, she is 100% sure. Let me give you another example. Will the sun rise tomorrow? Yes, it will. I'm 100% certain. The sun rose in my great-grandmother's time, and the sun will rise tomorrow as it has always done. I'm certain of it. The sun will rise tomorrow. Let me talk about modals for uncertainty. Use the modals may, might, and could to say that you are uncertain about the future. That is, you are guessing. Is this 100%? No. It's 80 to 50% or 50 to 80%. The book's example? We will briefly discuss how this type of farming could, might, may solve some of the environmental problems we are now facing. Is the speaker sure? Is he 100% sure? No, he is uncertain. He is guessing that it could, it might, it may fix some problems, but we're not certain. We are just guessing. Let me give you another example. This man is standing on top of a mountain. He sees many clouds, and he is guessing that it might rain tomorrow. He is not sure. He's just guessing. By comparison, this man knows the sun will rise tomorrow. He knows it. He is 100% certain the sun will rise tomorrow. How strong do you want to make yourself sound? Using will makes you sound certain about what you are saying. Using could, may, might is usually safer. Modals for uncertainty and certainty. Here is a fun suggestion. Do a Google search for future predictions. Count how many times you see the modal will in the answer. Count how many times you see the modals could, might, may in the answer. Then think, is the author sure or unsure of his or her predictions? This is just a suggestion, it's not homework. If you have any questions, please email me.